When you're looking for information, what's the first thing you do? You pull out your phone and you go straight to Google. Well, guess what? Your potential patients do exactly the same thing when they're looking for information. That's why this week's episode of Dental Boss TV will show you how you can turn all those Google searches into an amazing marketing tool for your business. And it's only going to take you about 5 minutes. And if you're feeling like you can't add one more thing to your to-do list, then you definitely want to stay with me, because at the end of this video, I'll tell you how to get your hands on an amazing free resource that will make it easy for you to get more done without getting overwhelmed. I'm Dr. Anissa Holmes here with a new episode of Dental Boss TV, showing smart and savvy dental bosses like you how to start and run a truly successful dental practice that gets you excited about coming into the practice every single day. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video on Dental Boss TV right here each and every Tuesday. Google is the #1 search engine, but it's so much more than that. It's the default we all turn to these days when we want information or answers to our questions. Now, you might already have a Google My Business page set up for your practice, but I'm willing to bet you're not really making the most of that page yet. If you've never taken the time to go in and customize your business page, you definitely want to do that. You can update your business hours, add an online scheduling link, and verify your location so that people can pop it right into the GPS and find you easily, and you should absolutely do all those things. But today, we're going to take things one step further and add some real live video testimonials to your Google My Business page, so that when potential patients land there, they'll be able to see your happy patients talking about their amazing experiences in your office. Let's get started. But first, let me know in the comments below this video if you already have a Google My Business page listing. All right, let's dig in. Now, if you're already a part of the Dental Boss movement, then you know that I'm a big believer in the importance of asking your patients about their experience at the end of each visit. This is really important information for you to have in general, because it'll help you and your team to focus on consistently providing an exceptional experience every single time. And when you're focusing on delivering that wow factor with every single patient, it's a good bet that your patient will say, yeah, this was a great visit. So right there in the moment, you can then say, well, we'd really love it if you'd let us record a quick video with you to talk about how things went today. There are a lot of people who are afraid to go to the dentist, and hearing from real people like you just might change someone's life. Could you spare us 2 or 3 minutes right now and we'll just film it really quickly? Once you record that video, you'll get it uploaded to your Facebook page, maybe repurpose it for an ad, or target the people who watch it with a special campaign. But don't stop there. You can take that same video, so there's no extra work involved, and you can upload that video testimonial directly to Google, so that anytime someone lands on your listing, that video review pops up and there's your patient talking about the incredible experience she just had at your practice. If you get into the habit of uploading videos to your Google My Business page, your listing will really stand out from others, because very few people realize that Google even offers this option. So while other practices might have an ordinary listing with practice hours and maybe a map, you're going to have a page that really establishes you as an authority. You can add all kinds of videos to your page. So anytime you're running a community campaign, like if you're helping to raise funds for a local charity and you go live on your Facebook page, you can download that video and re-upload it directly to your Google My Business page. If you're showing up and doing weekly Tooth Talk Thursday videos and sharing information to help educate patients about implants or Invisalign or the importance of flossing or whatever, anything you record and upload to Facebook with just a couple of clicks, you can download that video and upload it directly to your Google My Business page. So you're getting double the exposure and traffic without any additional work. And what's especially great is that you can then add buttons to your page so that people can schedule an appointment or call the practice with a single click. Super helpful when someone's on mobile, right? Make sure you're building out your page the right way and make it easy for patients to find your practice on Google My Business. Now, if you're worried that you just don't have time to get your page set up correctly, then I have good news for you. Underneath this video, you'll find a link to download my Big 3 worksheet. It's the last productivity planner you'll ever need, and it will change the way you do everything. Make sure to get it today. Also, if you want to join a community of dental bosses just like you, I have a Facebook group where over 15,000 dental bosses are already learning and growing. Join us in the Dental Boss Movement Facebook group if you want support and training as you grow your dental practice. The link is below this video. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below. Be sure to subscribe and share it with other dental bosses who could learn from it too. And don't forget to comment below with Dental Boss if you're excited to get more eyes on your dental practice.